Hey, bro, you need a lift?
What's that?
You need a lift? I'll take you wherever you want to go. It's free.
All right.
Yeah. Hop on in. It's too cold to be walking.
Yeah.
You got room there? You can throw that in back if you want.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. What's your name, man?
Cody.
Cody, right on, Cody. I'm Zook.
Nice to meet you.
Where are we heading, Cody?
I'm going to Crestmont.
Oh.
You know what's that?
No, I don't, but like I said, I'm happy to take you wherever you want to go.
All right. I'm trying to think of the best way together.
What do you got?
That way.
I don't think I can turn
Yeah,
here.
probably not.
Yeah. What do you got going on today?
Not much, man.
What are you living on the streets or?
No, not exactly.
Kind of in between.
Yeah.
If you don't mind my asking.
My wife took everything and left out of state, so I've been staying at my mom's. But I just got approved for my own place.
What, through the Monroe County Housing Authority?
Yeah.
Okay.
Section 8.
Yeah. Well, there's it takes a while, but you just got to kind of stay on it and make sure you go to all the appointments and that kind of thing.
Yeah, I actually got past that point and got approved, and I'm just trying to get into a place now.
Are we going straight here?
Oh yes, I return right.
Okay. What well, you and the old lady split up?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks. How long were you married? Or were you just like common-law?
No, we've been married since, we're still married right now, unfortunately. 2012.
Oh, wow. What was going on? Was the mother-in-law a real pistol? One of those deals?
Actually, yeah, that was a big part of it.
Yeah, that's how sometimes the mother-in-laws, they just really get to yip-yapping.
But,
Was the mother-in-law always on you about every little thing?
well, yeah, basically.
Yeah, that happens.
And filed for disability, so every chance I got, I was working on remodeling the house, and we were trying to sell it and buy a bigger house, and she just went behind my back and bought a house online in another state and took everything.
Oh, jeez.
Wasn't much I could do.
How about her dad? Did you and her dad get along, or was
not really? I mean, not.
Was he a real hard butt?
Kind of. He didn't really argue or fight with me, but we weren't close or anything.
Well, what kind of work do you do?
Well, factory work's what I was doing, and like cleaning.
Were you working over here at Cook or?
The last place I was on was PTS.
What's that?
They like refurbish cell phones.
Oh, were you pretty good at it?
Not bad.
What was that here? Was that here in Bloomington?
Yeah, it's over on the west side.
Well, west side is the best side. That's what they say, I think.
Yeah.
Is that by Pigeon Hill?
No, that's where we're going.
Oh, we're going to the hill? I'm not exactly sure where Pigeon Hill even is. I've always heard about it. Is it kind of ritzy?
No, it's like the opposite. It's like public housing.
Oh, it's the proletariat.
Yeah,
turn right here.
Yeah, it's where my mom lives.
It's the you got the proletariat and the bourgeoisie. At least that's what Karl Marx said. Did you ever read the Communist Manifesto?
No, but I've heard some of it.
Frederick Engels, I think, was the co-author of that. Well, what's the nature of your disability, if you don't mind my asking?
A lot of it's mental health, but I also got fibromyalgia and neuropathy really bad.
Yeah?
And some bad neurological issues.
Well, you seem like you're doing okay. You feeling okay?
I'm on the upward trend at the moment.
You going to the doctor and all that?
Yeah, I've been going.
You got a Healthy Indiana plan card?
Oh, yeah.
To take care of your medical expenses? Okay, because...
Yeah, I would be able to survive with it,
yeah, because there's a lot of resources.
Right.
Turn right. Okay. Well, what have you been doing for fun? You have fun once in a while?
Not often. I've been just kind of laying low and watch football.
Oh yeah, what Detroit won?
Yeah, that was cool. Ravens are my team.
What'd you do over Christmas? Was there
Not much, man.
Santa bring you anything?
No. I got to talk to the kids over FaceTime, but
Oh, you've got kids with the old lady?
yeah,
How old?
16 and 10.
You got a 16-year-old?
Yeah.
Oh man, you don't look that old.
Started a little young.
Is the 16-year-old boy or girl?
Boy, and the 10-year-old is a girl.
Now, as a 16-year-old, is he starting to smart off to you a little bit?
No, he's a pretty good kid.
Well, even good kids, sometimes they try and test the old man, especially when they get to be about 16. You know, they want to find out if you're serious or not. Did you give your old man a hard time?
Oh, yeah, I gave him that. But he was kind of crazy. We did drugs together when I was a real little kid and shit.
Oh, wow. Am I going
Oh, yeah, sorry, left.
left
Yeah,
or right?
like left, like up this hill. We're going up this way.
Okay. No problem. Well, that's kind of tough. Is he, what's he do now?
Nothing.
Do you talk to him much?
Yeah, he lives up here on the hill too, just in a different place. The parents aren't together, but
Well, do you go look in on him once in a while?
yeah, we see each other.
Well, so now, is this Pigeon Hill now? Or?
Yeah, we're almost there.
Okay, well, let me know when we cross the border here.
Yeah.
I'm not from Bloomington originally, so...
That's cool of you. Decided to pick me up.
Well, like I say, it's not as cold as it was, but it's if you're walking a while, your toes start to get cold, I'm sure.
Yeah. It's definitely seems like spring compared to what it was.
Yeah. Well, I picked up a dude the other day, and he'd been sleeping outside in a tent when it was like -5. I was like, oh man.
Yeah, there's a lot of people doing
Yeah, that's tough. You ever go to this church here?
that. I've never been to this.
It's the Pentecostal church.
Is it? You been there?
Yeah, now this is starting to look kind of
this is the hill.
This
right?
is the
We're
hill,
here.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, well, I have been to the hill. I just didn't know it. What, are there like bullets and bad dudes whizzing all around?
There kind of used to be, not so much anymore.
What, things get real rowdy in the summer when it's about 105 degrees and nobody's air conditioning's working?
Yeah. Look, they've been remodeling all these apartments. So.
Well, yeah, it looks like... At least it doesn't look like Dante's Inferno or anything, that's for sure.
Nah, it ain't as bad
I don't know why. I don't know why there's a blanket hanging out the window there. That's generally not a good sign. Just are we
right here.
take a right?
Yeah, a bunch of little towns.
Alright.
Just go forward until you see the park.
Well, this looks like it might be some good rollerblading here. Do you rollerblade?
Heck no, I'm too uncoordinated for that.
Well, hang on, I'm uncoordinated too, and I do it. And I'm old and fat, so I'm sure you can do it.
My bicycle.
Oh, you're a cyclist?
Well, no, I wouldn't go that far. I commute on a bike from time to time.
All right, which one looks good
Yeah,
here?
any of these.
All right. Well, hey,
Right on.
hey, it was good meeting you. You hang in there, and remember, there's a lot of resources for you available. And you know, I know you're going through a tough time, you know, with the old lady and all that, but please make sure you check in on your dad and stay in touch with the kids and everything.
Yeah, man.
And when you see me in town, give me a wave if you need a lift. I'll help you out anytime.
Right on,
Yeah,
man.
fair enough.
Yeah.
Right on.
What was your name?
Zook.
Zook.
Right
All
on.
right, man. Cody.
Right on, Cody.
Hopefully I'll see you around sometime, man.
Absolutely. Look for me.
I will.
Okay.
God bless you, man.
Keep rocking. Keep rocking.
man.
See ya.
See ya.
Adios.
Later, bro. God bless you.
God bless you. hey, there you go. And if you like the video, you know to smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a like. And hey, write me a comment. I'd love to hear from you.